Today we will color and learn the letter R. I color the letter R in the rainbow colors. What words start with the letter R, do you know? R. Rainbow. Yellow color. Green color. Green is such a beautiful color. I colored the radish leaves green. I also color the rabbit's pants green. Light blue color. Let's color clouds light blue. Blue color. R. Rabbit. I use blue to color Rabbit's shirt and his eyes. Purple color. R. Radish. I use pink to color the radishes. I use this marker to color Rabbit's fur. Good job! New videos come every week.